with their heads bowed, a solemn moment, usually known as the Armed Forces Remembrance Day, remembered every January 15th in our great nation, Nigeria. And that is the formation the participants at the rear just adopted. Bringing in front, Your Excellencies, most distinguished invited guests. At the moment, the 5 participants are blindfolding themselves, where shortly we shall witness the stripping of the weapon. It is one of the routines in military units and formations, where it is integral for the weapon to be stripped, cleaned properly before being assembled. And then we go, Your Excellency, on the timing, the stripping of the weapons being done there, where the parts must be arranged properly. Yes, the first 3 participants off, the 4th off. A round of applause for this period of display that was just showcased there, being done in 7.2 seconds. The stripping of the weapon as the platoon commander, Lieutenant Hamza, inspects to be sure that the parts have been arranged sequentially and properly. It is very integral for the parts to be arranged correctly, because during assembling of the weapons, the soldier will use his professional instincts to be able to locate the part, to fix it back into the frame of the rifle. Your Excellencies, we shall be witnessing that shortly. And here we go, Your Excellency, the assembly of the Fabric National, blindfolded. All they do is to locate the parts and fix them properly into the frame of the rifle. Once, if any part is being fixed wrongly, the weapon will not be serviceable. The weapon will not be used. And there we go. Concluding part for some, we have one of the participants, 2 off, 3 more remaining. Piece of essence. 4 participants off. A round of applause for this display by the participants. Having been done in 8.7 seconds, the assembling of the weapon. While we have the rest of their colleagues on reverse arms with their heads bowed at the rear. As I earlier mentioned, Your Excellencies, a formation of a solemn moment being remembered as the Armed Forces Remembrance Day every January 15th in our great nation, Nigeria. And that is the formation we have the silent drill platoon adopting at the moment. It has been exciting events unfolding here at the Eagle Square, Abuja, where it began with the march past by the Armed Forces and the Nigerian Police, and dovetailed also to the march past by the security agencies and organizations. And we earlier had the Armed Forces Color Patrol, and at the moment, Your Excellencies, the performance by the silent drill platoon guards begin Nigerian